Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for October 9 to 15, 2023. But before we begin, promote ko lang tong Pisces bracelet. So this is for alignment ng Pisces energy. Meron tong aquamarine, jade, at amethyst. Ayan. So available to sa aking Shopee shop. Link on the description. Ayan. So, Pisces, let's see anong ganap. So, general reading lang to. Just take what resonates. Watch your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus for other messages. And gawin lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay, no? Gamitin lang na gabay. So, what's your energy? The Lovers. Ooh, some of you are in love, getting into a relationship. Yung iba naman, may commitment kayong papasukin. Ano yung challenge ng mga Pisces? Ace of Wands. Siguro parang this can be a challenging start for you. Medyo challenging yung pagpasok mo sa commitment na yan, sa relationship na yan. But there is passion. Can be a romantic commitment, pwedeng trabaho, career. Okay, so let's see your opportunity. Wow, you have an opportunity to become very successful dito sa papasukin mong commitment. Kaya kailangan lang keep your eye on the prize, focus on your destination, kung saan ka papunta, and be determined, no? There is an opportunity for you to become triumphant. Matatag, malakas. And then, let's see your blessing. Ano yung blessing? Eight of Pentacles. Blessing sa trabaho, sa career mo. Dami mong gagawin, Pisces. You're going to be very busy sa yung trabaho, sa negosyo, sa mga projects mo. Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong kinuhang project na pwedeng nag-sign kayo ng contract, no? Marami kayong kailangang i-commission na trabaho. What is the Lovers? Uy, Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Cups. Fulfillment, happiness. O yung iba sa inyo, maaring magko-commit ng isang seryosong relationship na pwedeng mauwi sa kasalan or very serious na family commitment. What is the Ace of Wands? Ace of Swords. Ang Ace kasi is about beginnings and new, yung mga potentials, no? So, yung iba sa inyo pwedeng may mga pa rin, reservation. Ibig sabihin is, you're still holding back. Oo, na parang, okay, may nagsisimula, pero you're not really going all in. Okay? So, dapat, makita mo yung opportunity na yan. Kasi nga, meron kang opportunity to become very successful in what you are going to focus on. What is the Chariot? The Hierophant. Oh, this is learning. I think there's also an opportunity for you na merong mag-mentor sa'yo, magtuturo sa'yo, or someone that will inspire you because this person is parang susundan mo yung yapak niya. Oo. Yung kanyang career path. Kasi na-inspire ka sa buhay niya. What is the Eight of Pentacles? The King of Wands. You are going to be earning money from your creativity. Oo, yung creative talents mo. Some of you, meron kayong kakayanan na kumita ng pera sa pagta-travel. Oo. Pwedeng meron kang sasakyan, tapos ipapasok mo sa Grab, 'di ba? May motor ka, ipapaangkas mo, yung mga ganun. Let's see, what else? Money, career, finances. Yes, you are going to work smart. Focus on the basics to get better solutions. So, you're going to pay attention sa lahat ng detalye ng ins and outs ng kaperahan mo, cash flow mo, pati yung trabaho mo. You are meant to be successful, Pisces. Wow, ang ganda naman. You are meant to be successful in your career, in your endeavor. Or you will be also working with some people, collaboration. Connecting with new people. So, like what I mentioned kanina, merong kang merong mentor, coach, trainer. Pwedeng ikaw rin to, no? But I feel like there is someone na nag-i-inspire sa'yo or nagtuturo sa'yo. Strength. Oh, nagbibigay sa'yo ng lakas. Lakas ng loob. Alam nyo, yung iba sa inyo sa career nyo, sa trabaho nyo, sa business nyo, meron at meron dyan na against you. Meron at meron dyan na parang they want you to fail, no? But kung ikaw ay talagang sigurado sa gusto mong gawin, very much dedicated ka sa trabaho mo, sa career mo, hindi ka nila kayang pabagsakin. Okay? So, don't worry. As long as you are genuinely loving or genuinely passionate about your career, you're going to be successful. Sa love naman, yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng nasa relationship kayo na magkaiba na yung pananaw nyo sa buhay. Hindi na kayo nakagkakasundo. Na tipong, yung isa, ito yung pananaw niya sa buhay, ikaw, iba naman. So, syempre, mahirap mag-work pag ganon, no, yung relationship. So, for you, you might be focusing on taking care of yourself. Okay? Single, oh. Itong 9 of Pentacles is a single energy. So, you're going to take care of yourself. Yung iba, pwedeng hihiwalay muna sa relationship or yung tipong you will stand your ground, no? With the 7 of Wands na hindi mahayaan na i-control ka ng isang tao. You want to be accepted by someone for who you really are. Oo. The 6 of Cups, pwede tong person from the past na inayos niyo yung relationship niyo, pero it seems na parang hindi nagwo-work for you. So, kailangan nyo lang i-communicate yun talaga sa isa't isa. The truth will set you free. Truth is different at different levels of consciousness, reserve judgment. Yes. So, absolute truth, we can't really say what is absolute truth. But ang totoo, ang importante is kung ano yung totoo sa sarili mo. Yan yung magli-lead sa'yo sa success mo. Whatever is true to you. Being more authentic. Okay? So, that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo ito, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.